Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming back. This is your host Shiv again, and welcome to Crypto India. Alright, so this is a channel we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, blockchain, news developments, and market sentiments around the globe. I have some exciting news as you can see on the screen. The biggest news right now is Amazon accepting Bitcoins. Well, let me tell you this. If this happens, all the speculations that we have from people around the globe that Bitcoin will hit this price, will hit that price, I think all those speculations will be achieved in just a month's time. I'm not kidding at all. So if Amazon does start accepting Bitcoins, I think a growth of 10,000 US dollar in a month. Do let me know what you think about this. Let's have a look at cryptocurrency market cap first. And before that, guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, we do these videos on a daily basis. We do update you on cryptocurrencies news, ICOs, market sentiments, everything. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on these important updates. And it goes without saying, the more informed you are into the cryptocurrency space, Bitcoin space, blockchain space, the better decision you will be able to take yourself, right? Great, let's get into the cryptocurrency market right now. So you have Bitcoin at 5743, slightly up by 3.9%. Yesterday it was 5,500 US dollar. Ethereum at slightly below 290, 300, which is 297. I think it's a great price. It's still undervalued, guys. And you have Ripple at 20 cents. You have cash struggling at 333. You have Bitcoin Gold, which will have to be interesting to see what price it hits the market on 1st of November. And you have Litecoin at $55. You have Dash at $287. And what else? Let's have a look at some gainers and losers here. Status 21% up. You have Decreed 16% up. That's amazing. And then you have, look at this, 47% minus. Some of them are actually pump and dump, guys. So I'm really not sure how to handle them. The best strategy that I find is just hold it. Just hold your cryptocurrencies which are, look at this one, ageless, which is 48% gain, 42% gain, Litecoin. And yeah, so that's about cryptocurrency market cap. Let's have $168 billion as of today, 56% dominance of Bitcoin all along. So Bitcoin is the gold, guys. Bitcoin is the gold. And I'm going to share some information with you, especially this information by the CEO of the Ark Invest. As you can see, this company deals into ETFs, innovation ETFs, advisory services, and the CEO of this company, who is basically a brilliant lady, Catherine. We will go through this video here, okay? Catherine Wood, she's the one, and she explains how Bitcoin is bigger than the Apple, Amazon, and many other ideas. The Bitcoin idea is far bigger than Apple and Amazon. Just imagine what are you standing on right now. If you're holding on Bitcoin, just imagine the power of that Bitcoin right now with this statement. And this statement is coming out from a brilliant lady investors and who's the CEO of this firm. So we'll talk about this. Let's have a look at this news here first. So here it says more rumors Amazon could accept Bitcoin as all eyes on conference call. So what is this conference call? The conference call is going to be held today. As you can see here, there's a beautiful picture. The Cointelegraph, they really have nice pictures on their news, right? So in an article Tuesday, Diet Welt reported that fintech sources in Silicon Valley were echoing previous hints from investors James Alker that the global giant could soon integrate Bitcoin as a payment option. Right? Thursday's conference call as a D-Day moment for Amazon and Bitcoin. So today there's a conference call. Even if the 26th date is not set not set in stone. Bitcoin introduction should probably be accepted soon. So Amazon may go ahead and put it there on the website that we are accepting Bitcoins. And then you know what happens on from that day onwards, right? And I want to show you some interesting websites which already accepts Bitcoin. So I'm sure you all have heard about overstock.com, right? Overstock.com is just like Amazon.com, but you will see everything. They sell everything, like right from furniture, decor, home improvement, everything, and they accept Bitcoins, right? And that's one. And then when you talk about this is another beautiful article here. Bitcoin accepted here, where to spend your BTC. So just in case if somebody asks you who are the merchants, who are there, who are the people who are accepting Bitcoins, probably this can be the great article for them to refer. So look at this, gift.com, right? This is the gift.com. You can buy gift. These are the gift vouchers you can buy from these brands here, and you can pay them in Bitcoin. So let's see how is the logo. Buy gifts, get iOS. What is Bitcoin? Shop with Bitcoin. Can you see this? Shop with Bitcoin. So you can shop here using Bitcoin, right? You can see the symbol here. That's a gift.com, and then you can use these gift cards and on any of these popular brands, right? So they sell almost all the popular brands gift cards. So it's almost like buying a brand. So let's say even if Starbucks is not accepting Bitcoins, you can still buy the gift card for Starbucks and buy your coffee, right? This is the one. And then you have this, you have spendbitcoins.com, United States, and then you can change the country: Poland, Russia, Spain, Sweden. Let's talk about India because I'm from India. So let's see what is that. So I'm checking with you guys directly. Places. Let's go to places. Okay. So these are the websites which will accept Bitcoins, right? So this is spendbitcoins.com, India. You can change the country. I didn't find any merchant there. Let's go back to US. US. Okay, anyway, let's check the other one. Okay, let's check this. Microsoft is already accepting Bitcoins. This is one of the biggest news recently in terms of merchants who are accepting Bitcoin. As you can see here clearly, your Microsoft amount is 62 USD, which you can pay in Bitcoin right here. So Microsoft is one of the biggest merchants right now, and Microsoft is big. And I think that is one of the reason of recent hike in the price as well, apart from the fork that we had recently. greenmangaming.com. So look at this. This is a beautiful article. I would share the link in the description below. As you can see, this is in rupees, by the way, right? And then you can pay them in Bitcoins. Where is that? Let's see. PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, somewhere here. Can't find that. We can't find the logo here, but I'm sure they do, and that is why they are listed here. Let's have a look at the other side. You have pizza. You can buy pizza using Bitcoins. Get pizza for Bitcoins. Light straight over here, right? And then place your order, about us, pay them in Bitcoin right here on the top. And then you have Foodler. What's Foodler? Foodler is, sorry about that. Okay, is it opening or is it not opening? Okay, it's not opening. Let's check out the other one. Swiss Pharmacy. Swiss Pharmacy accepts Bitcoin. So this is a Switzerland company. And over here, Bitcoin, Visa, check, Swift bank transfer, and whatnot, right? So we have found about more than 10 merchants so far who are accepting Bitcoins. And then you have luxury diamond jewelry. Wow. All things luxury, luxury goods for less. And here you go. We accept Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, American Express, Discover, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. Wow. So you can buy jewelry with your Bitcoins. And then you have what else? Around the world with BTC, you have Expedia, of course. That goes without saying. Expedia, one of the traveling website here, and they have been accepting Bitcoins for quite some time now. As you can see on the Expedia here, you can pay. Expedia embraces Bitcoin, right? And then you have let me close a couple of them. Okay, we already saw that the pizza order in Bitcoin. And then you have cheapair.com, travel for coins, shipandtravels.com, right? And then you have Reed Jewelers, C6, Burger Bear. There's so many websites, guys. There's so many websites which are accepting Bitcoin. So I thought I'll share this with you because this is very, very interesting to me. And anything that I find interesting, I'd like to share with you all so that you guys updated. Let's have a look at this news here that I wanted to show you, that says that Bitcoin is a bigger idea than the Apple and Amazon. And who says that? Not just anyone, but it's the CEO of Ark Investments. And as you can see here, the network value of Bitcoin, when you include Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, is little over 100 billion. So it's come up, and it's come up very fast, but it is at a fraction of Apple's valuation, of Amazon's valuation. We think it is a much bigger idea than either of those. Just imagine how big is Apple and how big is Amazon. And just imagine if you have a small, like 10% share in Amazon, or 10% share in Apple, or maybe 2% share. It's a big money, right? Again, guys, everything that I'm saying, none of these are an investment advice. These are all my opinions, not an investment advice at all. Please don't take them as an investment advice. Thank you so much. Let's have a look at the CEO of this company. So what she has to say here, let's have a look at the CEO. She is the CEO here, Catherine Wood, and I want to play this video for you, right?
Ark Invest was founded to focus solely on disruptive innovation. We understand.
Okay. There's some.
And how quickly the world is changing, and we cannot use just traditional financial research resources anymore. We have to use social media, reach into communities, and meet people we would never meet in the traditional financial world. They take our research and share with us their research. We get to know each other that way. It becomes a very powerful community. We're all very passionate about these themes. And then crowdsourcing. Many blog aggregators, because we put our research up on our site, they are free to take our research and put it on their site. People have no...
So she's talking about that they believe in the disruptive technology. So this is her company's website, and she thinks that the Bitcoin is the biggest disruptive technology that we have had so far. And basically Bitcoin is can be larger than the Amazon and Apple. So this is something that I want to share with you. I'll leave the link in the description below. Go ahead and check the entire information if you would want to. And yes, please let me know how was this information to you by commenting in the box below. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Thanks for your time, and I hope it was helpful. And hit the subscribe button if you have not. Hit the like button so that more and more people can find this video. and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much and take care.